Hey everyone, it's Rakelle, the world's greatest driver. Rakelle loves driving, especially the right way, not the wrong way, like everybody else on this planet. Okay, so first things first, we always drive on the right and pass on the left. Drive on the right, pass on the left. Now, here, most people just drive wherever they want. Not Rakelle. Rakelle just drives in the right. Now, what we're going to do is pass. It's so easy. All you're going to do is check your blind spot, put your signal on, and turn the wheel a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, that was so hard. And look, I'm still on the right. So, I don't know what all these other cars are doing here. I have no idea. Mr. Truck, causing traffic. Everyone's causing traffic. Mr. Mercedes, you better wait your turn, buddy. You better wait your turn. Raquel's driving now. Oh, Raquel's driving. Okay, you can merge, Mr. Volkswagen. Yeah, you can. Oh, look, Mr. Truck, causing traffic. I don't know why you're causing traffic, Mr. Truck. Where are you going? You're not passing anyone. I'm passing you. I'm passing you on the right. Oh my God, why do I gotta pass everyone on the right? Well, it's because no one else drives on the right. Everyone drives wherever they feel like it. You'll see. Oh my God, 1, 2. Oh my God, here we go, Mr. Truck. Why are you passing? You're not passing anyone. You're just driving. Is that what people do around here? They just drive wherever they feel like it? I don't know. Rakelle, I was driving to the right. Rakelle wants to pass. Rakelle will pass on the right or the left, wherever she can. You're supposed to pass on the left. That's how highways work. But you know what? Rakelle's gonna pass this guy here. Okay, we're gonna pass. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Oh my God, look at that. We just had, oh boy, lots of traffic. Oh my God, here we go. Rakelle's got to get over the far side. Okay, how are we going to do this now? Slow down. Oh boy. We got to go way to the left. Can we make it? I think we can. Let's find a good spot to sneak in. Uh-oh, solid white line. Rakelle's gonna have to break a rule, unfortunately. There's no other way. I had no warning. No warning at all. Okay, we're on the road again. Ooh, look at that fancy green Lambo. So fancy. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go on this turn. It says 60, but it's okay if we go a little faster because that's what we can do. Oh my God, look at all these cars. Oh my God, the highway's so busy. I wonder why there's all this traffic. I have no idea why. Well, I probably do know why. Everyone just drives wherever they want to. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Okay. Oh boy. We gotta merge. We gotta do all sorts of things today. Merge. That's all we ever do around here. Merge. Merge here, merge there, merge here, merge there, merge. Gotta go all the way over, gotta get all the way over. Oh boy, we're gonna make it? Oh my God, I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh my God, I don't think we're gonna make it. No, we're not gonna make it. No, that's okay. This lane's perfectly fine too. Oh, Ken loves driving. Now, now that we're cool again, we're just gonna drive gonna drive right here. We're gonna learn a lot today. We're gonna talk about different things. We're gonna talk about why there's so much traffic and why no one passes. Everyone just kind of just hums along in their own lane instead of passing on the left like you're supposed to. Use the highway. No, Rakelle, no. Unbelievable. Okay, I think we're okay right now. Yeah, we're okay. So we're just driving along in the driving lane. We don't want to get off on that exit because then we just get off the highway, which we don't want to do. Okay, so Mr. Honda, I don't know who you're passing, but you're not passing me, I tell you that. You're just driving in the passing lane. Oh boy, Mr. Bike. Oh boy. Okay, Raquel's driving today. We're gonna do a little driving. We're gonna do a little lane changing. Okay, there we go. That's more like it. Okay, so now we're driving, just driving. Everyone's cool. Everyone's just driving along. Unfortunately, lots of cars up ahead in the inappropriate lane. Let's see, Rakelle passes. 1, 2, 3. Always passing, always passing. But when you're not passing, what are you supposed to do? Get in the right lane. This is the driving lane. It's not that difficult. Just drive in the driving lane. Pass in the passing lane. It's not that hard. Just driving along. Well, let's see here. Oh, Mr. Honda has a little plate. Let's take a look at the plate here. Oh, we gotta go catch him now. Let's go catch him. Let's go catch him while we're passing. Gold Norm. Gold Norm. Gold Norm? I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't understand. Gold Norm. Gold Norm? Is that a name? Norm? Gold Norm? Gold Norm? I don't know. I just don't understand. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Just Gold Norm. It's just Gold Norm. Gold Norm! Where are you going, Gold Norm? Who are you passing, Gold Norm? Okay, I'm gonna come with you, buddy. I'm gonna come. Here we go! Yay! Okay, lots of passing. Lots of driving. Driving's fun. Oh boy, where are you going, Gold Norm? That lane ends. Gold Norm. See, I knew that. I let you in. I just stayed back. I know what you were doing. Okay, Gold Norm. That was fun. Raquelle's gotta go now, though. So I'll see you later. Bye.